Have you been looking for a brand new home that has a luxury feel, but maybe not the luxury price tag? Then I've got the home for you today. Today we are looking at a Clarity home. So today we're in Parks of Aledo, which is in Aledo, Texas, just west of Fort Worth. And we are going to tour one of the Clarity models.
Okay, this is a 4-bedroom, 3.5 bath home that we're about to check out in the Bluffs phase of Parks of Aledo. Let's go take a look. So just inside the entryway, we've got tall ceilings and a beautiful study just off to the left. I love all the detail on the wall and the lighting. And then we come into this main open living area and kitchen. It's so beautiful.
One of the things I love about this home is this enormous island. This beautiful kitchen has designer lighting, farmhouse sink, and a gas range, plus cabinets that go all the way to the ceiling. And check out this pantry.
This home has 2,932 square feet. It's a 4-bedroom, 3.5 bath, like I said before. The current price of this one in Parks of Aledo is $749,000, which is a $20,000 price drop from its original price, to give you an indication of the market we're in right now. Beautiful luxury nail-down wood flooring in the entry living kitchen, dining, mudroom, and powder bath. So basically everywhere but the bedrooms.
One of the cool things about this house is that it backs up to a 14-mile mountain biking trail system, which you're not going to get in every model that this Clarity home builds, but this particular one is for sale.
So Clarity is a Fort Worth builder, currently builds in about 8 different communities from North Fort Worth, kind of in the Denton area, down to Godley, which is about 40 minutes south of Fort Worth. The neighborhood we're in today, Parks of Aledo, is in Aledo, Texas, just west of Fort Worth, zoned to Aledo schools, which are A-rated schools. Hello. We've got this gorgeous bathroom. I love that tub. Separate shower that's huge. Double vanity, of course. And then a nice size closet. The HOA dues here are only $50 a month, which makes this community really affordable. What the special thing about this is that it's filled with and surrounded by, you probably guessed it, parks. It's got tons of parks. There's playgrounds. There is also a 14-mile of trail for mountain biking or jogging. It's got dog parks, you name it. There's also sidewalks everywhere in front of the home and larger lots that can easily accommodate a pool if you wanted your own pool. Such pretty tile here in the laundry room. So this house has a 3-car garage. So there's this 1-car garage right here, single car. I would probably use it for things like toys, bikes, lawn toys, things like that. Then just over here, we have an additional one, a 2-car garage. Hello again. Look at that light fixture. I love it. Okay, let's go upstairs. Check this out. We have several bedrooms and a huge game room upstairs, which I love. Nice wood on the stairs, which is nice so you don't get that worn down patch on the stairs from the carpet. Okay, so we have game room right off of the stairs. Not huge, but what I love about this game room is that it's closed to the downstairs, so you don't have to hear a bunch of noise over the balcony. Here's bedroom number 1. It's good size. They have a really good size closets. This one has a Jack and Jill or connecting bath. Tub shower combo. And then bedroom number 3. And we have the last bedroom, a little bit bigger. It's also got its own bathroom, which goes out to the hallway so that people from the game room can also use it. This is going to be some attic access if you need it. It's a little floored access for some extra storage, suitcases or whatever. It is off of the closet in the 4th bedroom. Okay, so what do y'all think of this house? There are so many incentives being offered right now by Clarity and dozens of other builders. So if you are ready to contract on your new home or purchase one of these ones that's already completed, right now is the time to call me. Let's go.
Hey, I'm Debbie Bird, and as any realtor should be, I am very easy to find. So just check in the description box below for any contact information. I'd love to help you and your family on this journey to find the perfect home for you. So give me a call and I'll talk to y'all soon. Bye.